Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here. Hope you're enjoying the week and the wintertime so far. If you're in Calgary, be on the lookout for next week because we have a vortex, a cold vortex from Siberia coming in again. So we're going to have really cold temperatures next week. Today I want to take you on another tour of a property that's located in Aspen Woods. Now, for some of you who know Aspen Woods, you're probably thinking, okay, hold on, those are expensive homes and the interest rate just went up again, another 0.25%. This one though, it has the option for a lease back. So just to put your mind at ease or minds at ease, you can lease back. So you'd purchase it, it would be available in about a year. And at that time, have your mortgage together and things like that. Now, this one is brand new. So it just opened up not too long ago, and it is called the Cason with Crystal Creek Homes. Now, for those of you that don't know Aspen Woods, it's a very nice location here. So you do have views from your house of the mountains and a nice panoramic view of the city around. And it's located to some really great amenities plus some really top-notch schools. Now, this house starts at $1,750,000. They do have other lots available, so they have 4 other lots right now, and the starting price is $1.5 million. Now, if you have any questions about real estate here in Aspen Woods or in Calgary, you could go to Crystal Creek website or give me a call, text, or email. Be happy to provide you with that information. And let's get going. Without further ado, let's go take a look at the Cason by Crystal Creek Homes. Welcome to the Cason by Crystal Creek Homes here in Aspen Woods Estates. Now, this is an estate home, of course. It does come with a triple car garage, nice open to below ceilings inside that just make it feel a little bit more grandeur or grandiose. And it does have that nice big study space, a butler's pantry, plus a large walk-in pantry for the kitchen. On the upstairs level, you do have the loft and the bonus room. So the bonus room is by the secondary bedrooms there, bedrooms 2 and 3. And the loft is by the master bedroom. In the basement, it is a walkout basement, so with mountain views at the back there, so you can enjoy the beautiful